Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School. Subject Maths, Standard 8. Here now let's see the question number 5. An ant is moving around few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. Here you can see shapes of different food pieces it is given, and that ant is moving around these food pieces. For which foot piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, that here we have to find out that for which foot piece that the ant have to take longer round. Okay, it means this ant is moving around this foot pieces, so you have to find out the perimeter. Wherever it is curve shape, you have to find out circumference. So for the first piece, perimeter of this shape, it is a semicircle. So perimeter you will find out this way. So total distance covered by the ant, that is the circumference of semicircle plus this diameter. Okay, because this ant is start moving from this point and coming back to the same point. So you have to find the circumference of the semicircle plus diameter. So what is the diameter? That is given 2.8. And circumference of a semicircle, that is a 2 pi r divided by 2. 2 to cancel out. So circumference of a semicircle is equal to pi r. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r. What is r? R is equal to half of diameter, that is 2.8 by divide by 2, that is 1.4. So here circumference of semicircle is 4.4. Now add them up. It's a 2.8 plus this semicircle's circumference 4.4. So total distance covered by the ant by for this shape, that is a 7.2. Now second one. So if the ant is start moving from this point, then that perimeter will be sum of this distance, then this line, again this shape and this curve shape. Okay. So here, what is the length of this width, means what is the length of this line? Here it is 1.5, so here it will be 1.5. Now this total distance is 2.8. So here also it's 2.8. Okay. So we got this line 1.5, this side 2.8, and this side is 1.5. Now here semicircle is there, so you have to find out circumference of semicircle, that is a pi r. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, where r is equal to half of it, because this we can consider as a diameter. So half of 2.8, that is 1.4. So 4.4, that is the circumference of a semicircle. Now, now let's add them one by one. 1.5, then plus 2.8 plus 1.5, and this circumference, it is a it's a 4.4. Here you can see, add them up, so it's a 10.2 centimeter. Now for the third figure, we have to add these two sides plus circumference of this semicircle. Okay, so length of these two sides, that is a 2 and 2. Here you can see 2 plus 2. Now here find out circumference of semicircle. Here you can see this is a semicircle. What is the diameter? 2.8. Okay, this length is 2.8, so this diameter will be also 2.8. So radius 1.4, because we have it is the same, because here also diameter is 2.8, here also 2.8, so circumference will be same, it's a 4.4. Now add them up, 2 plus 2 plus 4.4, so answer is 8.4. Now which foot piece will take a longer distance, longer round? So let's compare. For the first figure, it's a 7.2. For the second one, 10.2 centimeter. And for the third one, it's 8.4. So it's very clear from the figure, from the answer, the figure B. Okay, whatever food is given in the shape of figure B. For that, the ant would take a longer round. Okay. Now this exercise we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.